Daddy.
What?
To Daddy. Now let's see what it is here. Show where you're heading. You're big.
Is it?
Yeah, let's see a big giant.
I don't think it's a big giant.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
290.
Clever girl. Say Nunu.
Yeah, no.
You are. Mummy and Daddy call you Nunu.
No, I know how to open it.
You don't know how to open it, of course you do.
But I know.
Ah, you've sussed it.
What?
You've sussed it.
Daddy.
What?
To Daddy.
No, to Nunu.
No.
Yeah.
It's a car.
A car for you. Yeah. Yeah. So now you don't need to break Daddy's. You can break your own.
Why?
Because you've got your own.
It's too heavy.
Right. Lie it down on the floor.
Oh God.
Oh gosh.
Oh
gosh. Right. Here's your remote. Come take that out the bag. There we go. There's all your spare parts, instructions.
I'm a car.
Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Hope you've all had a great time. It's Boxing Day at the minute. We've had a wonderful Christmas and we hope all you guys have enjoyed Christmas too and are looking forward to the new year.
Are you a mum?
No, they're not. That's not. I'm not talking to Mummy. We're talking to everybody on YouTube over at RC TRUCKIN UK. Want to say hello?
Look here.
You've got your new Axial AX10 for Christmas, didn't you? So you can come playing with me. So Leyarna's brought it out so she can have a little play with it and get some practice. So we thought we'd bring camera and let you guys watch the progress on how Leyarna gets along, because I hope to get like maybe more of an inspiring series out of this to get the kids involved. So I'll catch you in a bit.
Try your best with you.
I've geared it down a bit. 13 turn pinion. It had the 87 tooth spur in it, so, and a 55 turn motor as well. And that's its top speed, so yeah, it's bob on.
Way backwards.
Where's backwards? There. Right, then forwards and turn it. Remember to turn. And then when you turn it, that's where you want it to go. Hey, look, you're doing really well. Oh, wow, it's fast. Zoom! Well done. Go on then. Show me again. That's it. Good girl. Alright, now stop. Good girl. Backwards.
That way?
Yeah, the other way.
There.
So it goes up. Oh, flick it up.
Oh.
Right, that way. There you go.
All there.
Yeah.
It's like it all there.
Right, turn it as well while you're going backwards.
Where? Go. Oh.
Is it going that way? So yeah, the ESC standard in there, so we won't be taking it near water or anything for now. But as time goes on and stuff starts getting broke, I can hopefully try and get her involved with the upgrading. I don't like her on the tablets and stuff like that all the time. I like her doing stuff. So, as I said, I want to try and make like more of a bit of an inspiring series and get your kids involved with it. So, every now and again there'll be videos popping up of Leyarna and a little AX10. With some upgrade vids on it. Like I say, eventually it'll want new shocks and links and servo and everything. It'll all break eventually. But yeah, just got all my old NIM packs for this. Just run this on NIMs. Should get plenty of run time out of them. It's only slow. And then yeah, happy days. Oh, well done. Well done. Go on, keep driving. It's okay, turn it so as that it goes towards you. Whee! Yeah. Shall we see if it drives up the hill? Ready? Go on. Oh, lovely, lovely. Through the mud. Woohoo! Is it that way, that way? That way? Oh, down the hill. Oh! Bless her, it's like a little puppy. Like, good boy, it's coming, boy. Yeah, go on, do you want to go up? Oh, you're getting good with the steering now on where you want it to go, that's good. Sit. Go on, keep your finger on the trigger. That's it. Ready? Oh. Oh, nearly. Let go.
No. Dad, do it. Good boy, do it. Right, I feel we'll go down here. Right. Look where? Go down there. Look where do it?
Oh, well done. I think that might be a time up is looking a bit sluggish even coming downhill then. Did he come to you?
He liked me.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, come on, you have to do put it out with the food. And it's carrying.
Yeah. Shall we put him in the bag?
No.
Daddy can carry him.
No, I will carry him.
Oh, you will carry him.
Yeah. Do you know like you put on the wheel?
Alright then.
He always hurts them.
Oh yeah, don't want him to hurt himself.
Okay, he will me.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Right.
You're ace, aren't you?
What?
You're ace. Oh look, park all to yourself. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, enjoy the video. And I shall probably catch you guys in the new year. when RC Trucking UK continues. So, big thanks to getting me to 20,000 subscribers. I'm just like blown away with that, I really am. Pardon?
Daddy, can you go with me going round with me?
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, thanks again for that. And yeah, catch you guys in the new year. So if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe, turn on that bell so you get notified. Give me a like, drop me a comment and all that. And yeah, ciao for now guys. Sorry about the camera, it's a bit shaky. I was just seeing if she needs tyres. I mean, she can make do with these for now. She's not doing any comp crawling or anything at the minute. So, but yeah, I think these are the crappy compound tyre, so we need to get you some new wheels at some point, alright? Right, he's going on part with you. Awesome stuff. Look at the car, Matt, come flinging off.
No, I don't like it. Don't put me higher.
Well, do we take car off and I can push you higher?
Yeah, come on, boy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ready? 1, 2, got him.
Come here, be high. I'll go higher now.
I know you do. Ready?